Well, happy Sunday. Today we're gonna do some trail maintenance at a friend's property. I'm gonna go to Paulie's house to meet up with Sarah and Vaughn. We're gonna pick up some equipment, some chainsaws and some cutters. So I'll pick you guys back up over there. Today's forecast is a little overcast, but it shouldn't be too bad. No rain, no thunderstorms. See you in a bit. One of these. Welcome to the Dewalt dungeon.
You said you're gonna use this one, right?
Oh, there's Sarah right there. Pulling up.
Alright. I'm assuming we'll bring these with us in case.
What's that? The chain guides or the chains?
Yeah, just chains just in case. And Vic, can you reach that one? Oh, I was wondering if we were gonna have to get some of this right here. Alright, we're just gonna bring this whole supply of batteries. Oh, jeez.
What's the whole supply?
Oh, jeez.
You think we're gonna need that much? I mean, you got a gas powered.
Yeah, well, I'm just saying, just in case so we don't have to travel back. He's got his,
He's got what he
bats.
needs.
What up?
What's happening? Oh, I got the Can-Am shirt.
Oh, sorry. I like this one better. More my speed.
Actually, does this even fit here? Oh, okay, it does.
Nice. What about the little guy? Well,
Little guy, yeah, that'll fit.
values.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that's the steel. Yeah, I'll do that. Man, it's hot. I'm gonna have to take this helmet off. Whew. Sweaty. Can't get the chainsaw to start. Did you look up a YouTube video?
Huh?
Did you look up a YouTube video?
Yeah.
What'd it say? Dewalt power, baby. So we could roll this down towards us, push that way, and then put the bigger one. Yeah, we'll have to roll towards us.
Well,
pick this one
up.
up.
We could lift this and throw it that way.
The one bottom too. Well, we can do it.
Huh?
The bottom one's going with it too. You ready?
You push on the bottom. All right. One, two. Oh yeah. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Hold it. Other side. Other side. This thing's gonna fling up. Let go. Oh, it isn't. Just let go. Oh. Yeah, somewhere. Oh. There we go. We need to go to this one.
This big one right here to go.
Man, we need a big chainsaw. Nice. Alright. Nice. Let's start. This is 3 big trees laid together. Taking a lot longer than what we thought.
All right, so we're gonna head back to the truck. We're gonna try to get that chainsaw fixed because we're definitely gonna need it. Big boy Dewalt 20-inch chainsaw. Probably brought that through. Our hero. Just changing out the chain.
Our hero, but there should be another hero that just didn't want to come here. I wouldn't call him a hero then. He couldn't even micromanage today.
Sarah's still out there making her own trails.
We should hope. No, I called her. Just double checked. She's alive.
Yeah, I hate that shit.
Whew. All right, back at it again, boy. This video is not sponsored by Dewalt, but if you want to sponsor this video, hit me up. I need a bunch of Dewalt tools. Alright, well, I already had to fail first time in.
And I went for a little loopy-loop a few times.
We found Sarah.
Nice. Yeah, we're gonna get to that where it's like we want it to be wet. I believe that's gonna make our hole. So
Yeah, you can see he started over here.
yeah, you can take smaller ones out.
You guys work out, watch.
What is this, a union job?
Pretty much. Ah, fucker.
Frickers.
Oh yeah. And my trail, that's not a trail.
This is why I was like,
know.
fuck it. I mean, I'm dying, but
I know, I was sweating it back there.
so weird, all that noise and no gas powered.
Making good progress.
Good berries.
it looks like well, the trail stops here for right now. Trying to see if we can find more trail. Alright, pulling the U right here. Not gonna go any further. I'm gonna go more familiar area. Alright, don't know what's going on, but my wheeler's been acting funny. Doesn't want to stay on. Don't know if the new rectifier I bought's not charging the battery. Jumped it a couple times, it stays on, and then it'll say check engine. So I'm just gonna buy some new ground wires and a positive wire. I think those are pretty bad. I mean, we give it gas and she's good. I don't know. We're just gonna try to rush back to the next spot. Hopefully this doesn't die out. We made it to our homemade pond here. This is where I sunk it last weekend. Unfortunately, I didn't really get any good footage. Keeping mine on for now. This is acting up, just in case. I have a cold one, and should be heading home after this. All right, we got one more tree, and then we're officially done. We'll head back to the trucks. Yeah. This tree's making us work. Paul to show up last minute. Finish helping out. But we got it down. All cleared up. That's a big one. Alright, last tree's cut down. Gonna head back to the truck and call it a day. Dewalt, baby! This is not sponsored by Dewalt.